How to connect R36S to your TV. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you additional information about connecting your R36S into your television. So first is let's head out and check the specifications of R36. If you scroll down from here and then go into detail and specs or what's included inside the box, is we should be able to know that this specific device has a capable of using an input of USB-C charging cable. So what you want to have to do from your television is you switch the input source, whether you're going to be using a component or HDMI. If you're going to be using an HDMI wire cable, then you just need to use USB-C into HDMI ports. Now plug the Type-C into your R36S and then plug the HDMI cable onto your TV and switch the input source into HDMI from your television so that you can cast it over. And that's how you connect R36S to your TV.